Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner 2 Pro is the latest evolution in Xiaomi's ever-expanding smart home ecosystem. And this time, the focus is on a frequently overlooked household issue: dust mites. Building on its earlier models, Xiaomi's 2023 iteration of this specialized vacuum cleaner brings a more refined, efficient approach to deep cleaning, soft furnishings like mattresses, bedding, and upholstered furniture, areas where mites tend to thrive. Priced affordably at around $58, the 2 Pro model doesn't just rely on brute suction power. Instead, it integrates several technologies into a thoughtfully designed tool aimed at delivering thorough cleaning and sterilization. At the core of the device is a high-performance motor capable of generating up to 16 kilopascals of suction. One of the standout features of the vacuum is its wide 21.5 centimeter suction inlet, which allows the unit to cover more surface area in fewer passes. Combined with a 49mm spiral brush roller that's built to resist tangling, even when dealing with long strands of hair, the device optimizes both cleaning coverage and ease of use. In addition to physical cleaning, Xiaomi incorporates ultrasonic wavetech and UVC LED sterilization. The ultraviolet light effectively neutralizes bacteria and prevents mites from reproducing, while ultrasonic vibrations target and break down mites at a microscopic level. What truly elevates the 2 Pro model is its intelligent mite detection system. As the vacuum scans the surface, it actively evaluates the density of mite presence and automatically adjusts its suction level accordingly. This is displayed in real time on a clear LED screen. Another intelligent addition is the 65°C warm air drying feature. Especially useful during humid weather, this function helps keep fabrics dry and less hospitable to mites after a deep clean. The 6-stage filtration system adds to the hygienic performance, capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns and preventing secondary pollution, which can sometimes be an issue in lower-end vacuums. Xiaomi states that the vacuum achieves a 99.9% sterilization rate and a 99% mite removal rate. Bold claims, but ones that seem plausible given the robust feature set. The Mijia Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner 2 Pro is designed for versatility with 3 cleaning modes: gentle, smart, and strong, letting users tailor their cleaning intensity depending on the item, whether it's a dense mattress or a delicate stuffed toy. The 0.8 liters dust cup is transparent and easy to detach, making the maintenance process straightforward. A see-through window over the brush also lets you watch the cleaning action in real time, which not only looks satisfying, but helps ensure everything is working as expected. In sum, the Mijia Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner 2 Pro is a clever, well-rounded solution for households concerned about allergens and deep clean hygiene. It blends multiple cleaning and sterilization methods into a compact, intelligent package that's both practical and impressively advanced for its price. As Xiaomi continues to expand its smart home lineup, including their recently announced air conditioners with millimeter wave radar and AI cooling, products like the 2 Pro show just how committed the company is to integrating smarter tech into everyday cleaning and comfort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.